Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Bukola. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a bank transfer payment using your Postepay. But before I continue this video, if you are new here and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so, and also follow my Facebook page, Bukola Orry. So sit back and watch this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to download the Postepay app from the Play Store or App Store. I have the Banco Posta app, which because I use the Banco Posta and I also use the Postepay evolution. Note that if you want to do this type of transfer, you will need your Postepay evolution. So I'm gonna go ahead to open the app right now. I'm going to log in right now. Now that I'm logged in, I'm going to go to my Postepay evolution, then click Paga. Okay, and as you can see, there are various options here. I'll go ahead to choose Bonifico, which means transfer. So in this page, I'm going to insert the details of the person I'm sending the money to. That is the person I'm making the transfer for. And here I'm going to type in the person's codice IBAN, which is the international bank account number, and also the country you are sending the money to, that the country you're making the transfer to. It can be Italy, it can be France, it can be Germany. So here we will be putting Italia, which is Italy. Then intestataha is the person you're sending the money to. That's the name of the person you're sending the money to. And if you want, you can save the person's details by clicking salva contatto in rubrica, so that you don't have to, maybe in the future you want to send the person money again, you don't have to type it all over again. So you just click on salva contatto in rubrica. Importo is the amount you are sending to the person. Causale, the reason you are sending the money, the reason you are making the transfer. Okay, so when you are done inserting all your details, you click on conferma, meaning that you are confirming the operations. Okay, so here is a kind of summary of everything you inserted. That's the details. So it's going to show you the details you inserted. This is the time to confirm, to carefully verify. It's the time to carefully verify everything you've inserted before paying, because after you pay, there's nothing you can do again. So as you can see, you'll be charged €1 commission. And when you see that the details you've inserted are correct, you click Paga. So after paying, it's going to tell you that the operation was successful. So after that, you can just even go back to check your balance, because the money will be deducted immediately. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. As always, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I will see you in my next upload. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Bukola Orry. See you in my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.